When it comes to lunch, especially for me, I find myself snacking a lot on a whole bunch of random things instead of making myself an actual meal, because the thought of being in the kitchen for an hour is just like, oh, I'm hungry now, give me food now. But however, I've solved that problem. In this video, I'm showing you two very unique and different warming, comforting type meals, especially great for the winter in these cold months. They're very healthy, delicious, nutritious, and super simple and easy to make. And they're also great for making like a double batch so that the next day you can just pop it in the oven or pop it over the stovetop and heat it up, and you've got a meal in less than 5 seconds in your belly. I hope you guys enjoy. So first, I'm just washing and drying 2 sweet potatoes. You can see these ones are rather small. If you have a large one, you can use that as well. Just bake it until it's done. Mine took about 45 minutes. Actually, no, they didn't, because they were smaller. They took about 30 minutes. And then I'm just cutting them open, and then I'm drizzling on a little bit of maple syrup, and then I'm adding some almond butter on top. And then some hemp seeds. As you can see, I kind of added a lot of hemp seeds, even though it's only a tablespoon. It looks like a cup, but it's not. And then you can sprinkle on some coconut sugar if you want. I don't really need the coconut sugar. I think it's sweet enough already. But if you want to, you can also do that. For the next meal, I'm making roasted vegetables over a bed of lettuce. So here you see the vegetables are already seasoned and cut. I just have broccoli, cauliflower, beets, carrots, and sweet potatoes. And I seasoned them with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, about a tablespoon, some black pepper, turmeric, salt, and ground cinnamon. Ground cinnamon, that's what really makes this dish super cozy and just so wintry. Then I'm chopping up some lettuce while the veggies are cooking in the oven. And then here's the done vegetables. They look so good, they smell so good, they were so good. I'm just adding them over my bed of lettuce, and then here's the part that's really gonna take this dish to the next level. You're going to drizzle some almond butter on top. I know, almond butter and lettuce, it's kind of weird, but trust me, it totally goes together. And then sprinkle some pumpkin seeds on as well. And that is your meal number 2 done. This tray of veggies, I ate half of it today, and then I saved half for the next day. So I just reheated it over the stovetop for about 5 minutes, and it was a super quick lunch that I threw together. I hope you guys give these recipes a try, and if you do, make sure to let me know in the comments down below and give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and the bell. And I want you guys to remember that eating healthy food doesn't have to be complicated, and it also doesn't have to take 10 hours. See you guys soon.